Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack Rar or zip files using app called Rar on your Realme C31. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the Rar or zip file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM, camera, and there's a pictures .rar. Now in order to unpack it, we'll need to press on it. This archive is protected by the password, so I need to know it and enter it, and I know it, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, press OK, and now we have access to the files. Select all 3 of the files or any files you want to unpack and press on this arrow pointing up right here. Now from here go to browse and select destination where you want to unpack your files. Mine are gonna go to the movies. Press OK to select that, and from here you can change 3 options like ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. I'm just gonna go with skip existing files. You can keep broken files or do not extract paths. You can also enable or disable display extracted files. So now that we've set up everything, we're gonna press on the OK button and the files are unpacked. Let's move to the movies. And here we can see the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.